Okay, so I'm reviewing my toaster today. So as that video shows, we got crumpets, and these things. Yeah, crumpets, the best thing in the world. And you'll see the bread bin review probably. So like, I got all the buttons. So it says like cancel, reheat, defrost, and I change how long and hard I want it to cook it. And then this button here, I put the stuff in here, and I pull this down. Now it's cooking, but I don't want this one to cook. I've got this utensil, so when I'm finished I put that in to pick it up. Pretty good, not gonna lie. Quite like it. Give this toaster maybe a 6 out of 10.